a giant tectonic plate under the Indian Ocean is going through a rocky breakup with itself. In tens of millions of years, the India-Australia-Capricorn tectonic plate will be split in two. But because this tectonic plate is under the Indian Ocean and difficult to study, scientists almost didn't realize the split was happening. It was two earthquakes that gave it away. On April 11th, 2012, a magnitude 8.6 and magnitude 8.2 earthquake struck under the Indian Ocean, near Indonesia. This was confusing to scientists. Normally, earthquakes happen at tectonic plate boundaries, where one plate goes under another or plates interact with each other. But this earthquake originated from the middle of the India and Australia-Capricorn plate, which was very curious. To learn more, researchers boarded a vessel and used sound waves to study the ocean bottom. Basically, they sent the sound waves down from their vessel, and then depending on how long the waves took to respond, they could then map the topography of the ocean basin. And what they learned is that there is actually a gigantic fault there. What happened is when this plate was first forming, the Earth is round, and so due to this force and other forces, the gigantic plate cracked. Furthermore, this plate is not a uniform plate. It's actually three different plates that are moving together, pieced together like a puzzle, basically in the same direction. However, some of these puzzle pieces are moving at different rates than the others. And because this fault line already existed, the plate is opting to break along it. In fact, those two big earthquakes that happened at this fracture were called Strikeslip earthquakes, when one block of Earth moves horizontally past another. The most famous Strikeslip fault is probably the San Andreas Fault in California. However, the San Andreas Fault is moving about 10 times faster than this one. While the San Andreas Fault is moving about 0.7 inches a year, this, shall we say, baby plate boundary under the Indian Ocean is moving a mere 0.06 inches a year. If anything, this new development in the India-Australia-Capricorn plate reminds us that plate tectonics are constantly forming and being destroyed. That means there's a lot of breakups out there.